This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Meseches Kilayim, Perek Zayin, Mishna Gimel. In the previous Mishnayos, we learned of different cases where it's forbidden for a person to plant grain or vegetables in a vineyard. And our Mishnah will teach how in some of these cases, if a person went against the halacha and planted the Kelayim in the vineyard, nevertheless, the grain and vegetables and the vine will not become aser, and in some cases, they will become aser. Elu Eisrin Veloy Mekachin. The following are forbidden to be planted. However, if a person plants them, then they do not become forbidden to be eaten. Moisar Charban HaKerem. We learned in an earlier Mishnah that if there's a clearing in a vineyard, so you need to have a clearing of 16 amas in order to be permitted to plant in the vineyard. What happens if it's less than 16 amas? It's 15 amas, and it's forbidden to plant in that vineyard, and a person nevertheless went ahead and planted there. So as long as there's a distance of 4 amas from the vines, so it's forbidden to plant there, but if a person plants, the grains, vegetables, and vines will not become aser. So too, Moisar Mechail HaKerem. We learned that in order for a person to plant at the edge of a vineyard, between the vineyard and the wall, there needs to be 12 amas. What if there aren't 12 amas? There's only 11 amas. But a person distanced what they planted 4 amas from the vines. So to here, it's forbidden. However, the vegetables, grains, and vines will not become aser. Moisar Piskei Aris. So we learned earlier, if there are 11 vines trained on a wall, and each 5 is considered a vineyard, because they're on a wall, and the middle one then is removed. So we said that there has to be 8 amas plus a tefach in order for a person to plant in between. What if there's less than 8 amas and a tefach, but a person distanced the Kilayim by more than 6 tefachim? So again, it's forbidden to plant, however, they won't become aser. And so too, Meiser Afif Yaris, like we just learned recently, if a person put the vines on top of a wall that has an extension, and it didn't go over the entire extension. So a person is not allowed to plant under any of it. However, if they plant it under the part that doesn't have a vine on it, then what grows over there will be mutter. The Mishnah continues, Aval Tachas Agefen, however, if a person plants something directly under a vine, or if a person plants within the area that's needed to work the vine, which is 6 tefachim, or 4 amas in a regular, proper vineyard. So in all these cases, not only is it forbidden to plant Kilayim over there, but if a person does plant Kilayim, all of it will become aser, forbidden to be eaten.